हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 74 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। तो डिटेल वीडियो देखकर ही आप इस वीडियो को देखें, नहीं तो ऐसा फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। डिटेल वीडियो देख लें या फिर प्रैक्टिस कर लें खुद से। तो पहले हम यहाँ पे बायो पे आएंगे, देन केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद आएंगे फिजिक्स पे। एनटी अभ्यास से सारे मॉक टेस्ट अवेलेबल है, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं। और फिर इस वीडियो का अगर क्वालिटी लो लगे तो आप VLC मीडिया प्लेयर डाउनलोड करके वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करके अगर वीडियो चलाएंगे VLC से तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में HD क्वालिटी में दिखेगा। उसका जो लिंक है वो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाला हुआ है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है। Which of the following is correct with regard to monocot stem? Answer will be B. The vascular bundles are surrounded by a sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. The monocot stem has a sclerenchymatous hypodermis. A large number of scattered vascular bundles, each surrounded by a sclerenchymatous bundle sheath and a large conspicuous parenchymatous ground tissue. It does not have pericycle vascular bundles are conjoined and closed. Peripheral vascular bundles are generally smaller than the centrally located ones. Yeast is a unicellular eukaryotic organism which is included in answer will be D. Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi. The Ascomycetes are unicellular, example yeast Saccharomyces, or multicellular, example Penicillium. They are saprophytic decomposers, parasites, or coprophilous, that is growing on dung. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer A. Cuticle is present on the epidermis of both stem and roots is wrong. Incorrect. बाकी B, C और D सही है. The outer walls of guard cell are convex and thin. In grasses, the guard cells are dumbbell shaped or the trichomes are usually multicellular. A thick waxy layer called the cuticle, which prevents the loss of water, covers the epidermis. Cuticle is present in stem but absent in roots. In grasses, the guard cells are dumbbell shaped. The outer walls of guard cells away from the stomatal pore are thin and the inner walls towards the stomatal pore are highly thickened. The guard cells possess chloroplast and regulate the opening and closing of stomata. The epidermal hairs on stem are called trichomes. The trichomes in the shoot system are usually multicellular. They may be branched or unbranched and soft or stiff. They may even be secretory. The trichomes help in preventing water loss due to transpiration. Find the correct option for the polypody of ovary, anther, egg, pollen, male gamete and zygote. ओवरी का होगा यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन कर रहा है। तो ओवरी का 2n, एंथर 2n, एग हो जाएगा n यानी हैप्लॉइड, पोलन भी हैप्लॉइड n, मेल गैमेट हैप्लॉइड n और जाइगोट होगा 2n यानी डिप्लॉइड। ovary is a somatic cell, so it is diploid 2n. Anther is also diploid 2n. Egg is female gamete and so it is haploid n. Pollen grain on microspore is formed by meiosis, so it is haploid n. Male gametes are formed by mitosis from pollen grain and so are haploid and n2, and zygote is formed by fusion of male and female gamete, so it is diploid 2n. Given pedigree shows the inheritance of autosomal recessive gene. What is the genotype of given parents? तो आंसर विल बी ए, यानी कैपिटल ए यानी कि नॉर्मल, और स्मॉल ए यानी कि रिसेसिव है तो डिजीज कंडीशन होगा। इन द अबव पेडिग्री फीमेल पेरेंट बी इज अफेक्टेड बाय द डिजीज. इन ऑटोजोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर the person can be diseased only if it has a homozygous recessive genotype. Thus, genotype of B is AA. Male parent capital A is unaffected. In autosomal recessive condition, the unaffected individual can occur when the genotype is capital A or capital A small a. If the cross between capital A and small a, all offsprings will be capital A small a and will not suffer from the disease. In the cross between capital A small a and cross with small a, Half the offspring will be capital A, small a unaffected, while the remaining half will be a small that is affected. In the given pedigree, no of their children are affected, so the male parents' genotype should be capital A, capital A. Which statements depicts incorrect characteristics of cyanobacteria? Answer C. Motile specialized cells, heterocysts are present which can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Cyanobacteria have autotrophic nutrition and can perform photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll A, which is similar in green plants. They may be unicellular, colonial, or filamentous forms. Nitrogen fixation in cyanobacteria mainly occurs in specialized cells called heterocysts. Heterocysts are the large-sized, pale-colored, non-motile, mucilage-free, thick-walled cells which are impermeable to oxygen. In polluted water bodies, the algal bloom is observed due to eutrophication and the cyanobacteria blue-green algae predominates. In terms of symmetry, the flower of which plant resembles the flower of cassia? Answer C. Gulmohar. When a flower can be divided into two similar halves only in a particular vertical plane, it is zygomorphic. Example P. Gulmohar, bean, cassia. When a flower can be divided into two equal radial halves in any radial plane passing through the center, it is said to be actinomorphic. Example mustard, dhatura, chilli. A flower is asymmetric, irregular. If it cannot be divided into two similar halves by any vertical plane passing through the center, as in canna. Which of the following are correct for numerical taxonomy? First, based on all observable characteristics. Second, uses chemical constituents of the plant to resolve confusion. Third, based on cytological information like chromosome number, structure, and behavior. Four, numbers and codes assigned to a few characters. At the same time, hundreds of characters can be considered carried out using computers. Okay, करेक्ट अबाउट न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी. तो यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी यहाँ पे फर्स्ट होंगे, यानी कि बेस्ड ऑन ऑल ऑब्जर्वेबल कैरेक्टर्स. उसके बाद फिफ्थ यानी नंबर एंड कोड्स असाइन टू अ फ्यू कैरेक्टर्स. और उसके बाद सिक्स होंगे कैरिड आउट यूजिंग कंप्यूटर्स. Numerical taxonomy is now carried out using computers, is based on all observable characteristics. Number and codes are assigned to all the characters and the data are then processed. In this way, each character is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered. Cytotaxonomy, that is based on cytological information like chromosome number, structure, behavior, and chemotaxonomy, that uses the chemical constituents of the plant to resolve confusions, are also used by taxonomists these days. A fungus with hypha containing nuclei from different genomes. The nuclei do not fuse and are without sex organ but produces sexual spore, belongs to answer D. Basidiomycetes. The intermediate phase between two stages, plasmogamy and karyogamy, is known as dikaryophase. It gives rise to secondary mycelium. It has multiple septate hypha. The septa have spores and hook-shaped outgrowths. They are known as clamp connections. Septa mycelia multiply by formation of many spores, under uh, including iridospores, uridospores, and chlamydospores. In Basidia, karyogamy and meiosis occur, which leads to the production of basidiospores. The presence of a physical barrier between stigma and stamen prevents autogamy. This phenomenon is called as answer A. Hercogamy. Hercogamy is a contrivance of cross-pollination. In a bisexual flower, self-pollination can be prevented by presence of a physical barrier between style and stigma. This is hercogamy. It is seen in pansy where there is hood covering the stigma. Heterostyly is the presence of different lengths of styles in different flowers of the same species. This adaptation also helps in cross pollination. Dichogamy is the phenomenon where male and female parts of the flower mature at different times, thus causing cross pollination. Cleistogamy is a phenomenon in which the flowers always stay in bud condition and never bloom. This ensures self pollination. In which of these diseases does the patient does not have the same number of chromosome as the rest? Answer will be C. Turner's syndrome. The presence of the extra chromosomal in diploid chromosome number is called trisomy. It is represented by 2n plus 1. Here the patient has 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Trisomy of 21st pair of chromosome, Down syndrome. Trisomy of 18th pair of chromosome, Edwards syndrome. Trisomy of 13 pairs of syndrome called Patau syndrome. And Klinefelter syndrome is due to presence of extra X chromosome in males. The patient's cells contain one additional X chromosome along with XY. Thus, their genotype is represented by 44 plus XXY and they have 47 chromosomes. The absence of a chromosome in diploid chromosome number is called monosomy. It is represented by 2n minus 1. Thus, they have 45 chromosomes. Turner syndrome is due to absence of one X chromosome in females. The patient's cell contain only one X chromosome instead of two. Thus, their genotype is represented by 44 plus XO. China rose has answer B. Axial placentation, twisted estivation, monoadelphous hypogynous flower. When the placenta is axial and the ovules are attached to it in a multilocular ovary, the placentation is said to be axial, as in China rose, tomato, and lemon. If one margin of the appendage overlaps that of the next one, and so on, as in China rose, lady's finger, and cotton, it is called twisted estivation. In the hypogynous flower, the gynoecium occupies the highest position, while the other parts are situated below it. The ovary in such flowers is said to be superior. Example: mustard, China rose, and brinjal. The stamen are united into one bunch or one bundle, monodelphous, as seen in the China rose. An orthotropous ovule is one in which micropyle and chalaza are. Answer C. In straight line of funicle. Orthotropous ovule is an erect ovule. In this, the micropyle, chalaza, and funicle are in the same line. The macropyle is upward and chalaza is downward. It can be represented by the following figure. The graphical representation specifies answer B. Action spectrum. The curve representing the rate of photosynthesis at various wavelengths by various photosynthetic pigments is called action spectrum. According to action spectrum, the highest rate of photosynthesis in green plants is in red and blue region of a spectrum. The action spectrum shows the highest peak in red region and another small peak in blue region. Lichens are a well-known combination of an alga and fungus where the fungus has answer C, a symbiotic relationship with the alga. Lichens are symbiotic association, that is mutually useful associations between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont and fungal component as mycobiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water for its partner. A normal visioned man whose father was colorblind marries a normal visioned woman whose father was also colorblind. They have their first child as daughter. What are the chances that this child would be colorblind? Answer will be 0. Normal visioned man genotype XY, normal visioned but carrier woman genotype XXC. Since her father is colorblind, their daughter can have two genotypes XX or XXC. In both these cases, the daughter will not be colorblind. Given diagram shows the vertical section of strawberry. Identify the part labeled as what? तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा डी थैलेमस. The fruit of strawberry is actually an aggregate fruit formed from a polycarpellary Apocarpus gynoecium. It is not a berry. The fleshy part of the fruit is actually derived from the thalamus, and the one depicted in the diagram is the thalamus. Each seed seen on the surface on the strawberry is actually one fruit with seed in it. What proportion of the of offspring in the F2 generation of tetrahybrid cross will resemble the phenotype of parents that produce the F1 hybrid? Answer A, 1 by 128. The total number of offspring in the F2 generation is represented by 4 to the power n, where n equal to 1 for monohybrid, n equal to 2 for dihybrid, etc. Thus, the total number of offsprings in the F2 generation of tetrahybrid cross is 4 to the power 4 is equal to 256. Out of these, only two offsprings will resemble the parents genotypically. Thus, their proportion is 2 by 56, which is 1 by 1 by 128. The correct names X, Y, Z respectively are: answer is A, X endosperm, Y is pericarp, and Z is scutellum. In the seeds of cereals such as maize, the seed coat is membranous and generally fused with the fruit wall. The endosperm is bulky and stores food. The outer covering of endosperm separates the embryo by a proteinous layer called allureon layer. The embryo is small and situated in the groove at the one end of the endosperm. It consists of a one large and seed-shaped cotyledon known as scutellum and a short axis with plumule and a radicle. The plumule and radicle are enclosed in sheaths which are called coleoptile and coleorhiza respectively. Figure describes the structure of a monocotyledonous seed. Egg apparatus consists of: answer A, egg and two synergids. The embryo sac of female gametophyte in angiosperms is seven-celled, eight-nucleated structure. It has an egg apparatus towards the micropylar end. It has a central haploid cell which is ovum or female gamete. On either sides of the egg or ovum there is one synergid each. They have filiform apparatus which secretes a fluid which guides the pollen tube into the embryo sac. Synergids degenerate after fertilization. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is used in converting answer D pyruvate to acetyl CoA. At the end of glycolysis, two molecules of pyruvic acid are formed in the cytoplasm. The two molecules of pyruvic acid enters mitochondria to undergo oxidative decarboxylation to form acetyl fraction 2 carbon. In the presence of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase and Mg2 plus as cofactor, two molecules of acetyl fraction 2 carbon combines with two molecules of coenzyme A to form two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A 2 carbon. The two molecules of hydrogen released during this reaction are accepted by two molecules of coenzyme NAD plus and it is reduced to form two molecules of NADH plus H plus. The plants for which flowering is either quantitatively or qualitatively dependent on exposure to low temperature, this phenomenon is termed as answer A, vernalization. There are plants for which flowering is either quantitatively or qualitatively dependent on exposure to low temperature. This phenomenon is termed vernalization. It prevents precious reproductive development late in the growing season and enables the plant to have sufficient time to reach maturity. Vernalization refers especially to the promotion of flowering by a period of low temperature. It is also called aerovigation. Which of the following are the characteristics of pheophyceae? मतलब ब्राउन एल्गी के बारे में. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है पजेज क्लोरोफिल ए सी कैरोटेनॉइड्स एंड जैंथोफिल्स. सेकेंड, food stored in the फॉर्म ऑफ लैमिनेरिन और मैनिटोल। यहाँ पे थर्ड है एस सोलर प्रोडक्शन बाय बायफ्लैगेलेट जूस्पोर्स दैट हैव टू इक्वल एपिकली अटैच्ड फ्लैगेला। फोर्थ, सेल wall has cellulose and algin. Fifth, sexual reproduction is oogamous only. Gametes have two laterally अटैच्ड फ्लैजिला। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा सी, यानी कि फर्स्ट सेकंड फोर और सिक्स सही है, और थर्ड जो है गलत है, एक्स रिप्रोडक्शन बाय फ्लैजिला जूस्पोर्स दैट हैव टू इक्वल एपिकल अटैच्ड फ्लैजिला, ये हमारा गलत है। द मेंबर्स ऑफ फियोफाइसी और ब्राउन एल्गी आर फाउंड इन primarily in marine habitats. They show great variation in size and form. They possess chlorophyll, A, C carotenoids and xanthophylls. They vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the amount of the xanthophyll pigment. Fucoxanthin present in them. Food is stored as complex carbohydrates which may be in the form of laminarin or mannitol. The vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall usually covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating of algae. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in most brown algae is by biflagellate zoospores that are pear-shaped and have two equal laterally attached flagella. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within the oogonium. Oogamous species. The gametes are pyriform, pear-shaped, and bear two laterally attached flagella. Which two statements are correct for racemose inflorescence? First, the main axis continues to grow, सही है। सेकंड यहाँ पे कहा the main axis terminates in a flower, गलत है। थर्ड यहाँ पे है flowers are born laterally in acropetal order succession, सही है। और फोर यहाँ पे कहा flowers are born in basipetal order, ये हमारा गलत होगा। In racemose type of inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. The flowers are born laterally in an acropetal succession. In cymose type of inflorescence, the main axis terminates in flower, hence is limited in growth. The flowers are born in a basipetal order. During the During which stage in the complete oxidation of glucose is the greatest number of ATP molecules produced from ADP? Answer will be ETS. The total NADH entering ETS is 10, 2 NADH from glycolysis, 2 NADH from link reaction, 6 NADH from Krebs cycles. ATP formed from 1 NADH is 3, thus ATP formed from 10 NADH is 30. Total FADH2 entering ETS is 2 from Krebs cycle. ATP formed from 1 FADH2 is 2, thus ATP formed from 2 FADH2 is 4. Thus the ATP formed is in ETS is 34 out of the total 38 produced by complete aerobic respiration of one molecule of glucose. A person wanted to create a lawn from his home garden, so he planted grass all over the area. He observed that many other weeds also growing in the garden. To remove that weed, what weedicide he should be used? Answer D, 2,4-D. 2,4-D, uh, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is an oxime which is widely used to kill dicotyledonous weeds, does not affect mature monocotyledonous plant. It is used to prepare weed-free lawns by gardeners. Codominance is seen in the person who has a blood group. Answer C, AB. Codominance is the phenomenon in which both the alleles present in an organism express equally. Allele Ia produces blood group antigen A, while allele IB produces blood group antigen B. When a person has genotype IA-IB, both the genes are equally expressed and the body produces both antigens A and B. Such a person is said to have blood group AB. In a typical Mendelian dihybrid cross, one parent is homozygous for both dominant traits and another parent is homozygous for both recessive traits. In the F2 generation, both parental combinations and recombinants type appear. The phenotypic ratio of parental combinations to recombinants is answer will be D, 10 is to 6. When the pure pea plants, one with yellow round seeds and one with green wrinkled seeds are crossed. All plants in the F1 generation have yellow round seeds. On selfing, they will produce organisms with yellow round seeds, yellow wrinkled seeds, green round seeds, and green wrinkled seeds in the ratio of 1 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Out of these yellow round seeds and green wrinkled seeds are parental combinations, while yellow wrinkled seeds and green round seeds are recombinations. Thus, the phenotypic ratio of parental combinations to recombinations is 10 is to 6. PGA as the first CO2 fixation product was discovered in photosynthesis of answer D alga. Dr. Melvin Calvin discovered the correct path of carbon in photosynthesis, that is sequence of biochemical reactions of carbon dioxide fixation into glucose. He carried out experiments on unicellular green algae like chlorella and Desmus, and used radioactive isotope of carbon C14 as a tracer. CO2-14 was fed to photosynthesizing algal algal cells for different time in seconds. The algal cells were then killed by dropping the suspension in hot methanol. The technique of paper chromatography was used to separate the intermediates formed. He discovered that the first stable product is a 3 carbon compound, phosphoglyceric acid PGA, hence Dr. Calvin called it C3 cycle. Increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic levels is known as answer D biomagnification. Sewage from homes as well as industries is disposed of in water bodies. Sewage from certain industries such as chemical manufacturing, paper manufacturing, etc. contains toxic substances such as heavy metals. These heavy metals, when taken by aquatic organisms, cannot be metabolized or excreted, hence they pass it to higher trophic levels. This leads to an increase in the accumulation of toxic substances at each successive trophic level. This is known as biomagnification. Which one of the following organelle in the figure correctly matches with its functions? Answer C. Rough endoplasmic reticulum protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubular structures present in the cytoplasm, which divide the intracellular space into luminal and extraluminal. These ER can be divided into two types depending upon the presence of ribosomes on their outer surface. The rough endoplasmic reticulum RER has ribosomes on the outer surface, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER lacks presence of ribosomes. RER is involved in protein synthesis and secretion, whereas SCR is involved in synthesis of lipids and lipid-like hormones. If a population grows in a habitat with limited resources, then following phases of achievement observed. आंसर ए लैग देन एक्सेलरेशन, उसके बाद डीएक्सेलरेशन, उसके बाद एसिम्प्टोट. The growth of the population depends upon the availability of resources. If the resources are unlimited, the population will exhibit exponential growth. However, if the resources are limited, then there is a competition between the individuals for resource. In a certain habitat, there are only enough resources that can accommodate only the maximum number possible. If the population increases beyond that, there will be no growth. Stages of lag phase followed by acceleration, deceleration, and lastly the phase of asymptote are seen in the population which lives with limited resources. Which is correct order of cereal stages in Hydra? Answer A. Phytoplankton, then rooted submerged stage, rooted free floating plant, reed swamp stage, marsh meadow stage, scrub stage, then forest. Ecological succession is defined as the process of gradual and predictable change in the species composition of an area. Primary succession occurs in those areas where no organism ever existed, whereas secondary succession takes place in those areas where organisms once existed but now have lost them due to some reason. In primary succession of wetland into forest, the first to appear are the phytoplanktons. They are replaced by submerged plants, and later submerged and floating plants both appear. Gradually, it passes through the reed swamp and marsh meadow stages, and lastly, scrubs appear before forming it into a forest land. In which of the following will DNA melt at the lowest temperature? Answer will be A. In a in a double helix structure of DNA, the bases in the two complementary strands are paired with the help of hydrogen bonds. There are two hydrogen bonds between one adenine and thymine base pairs, whereas there are three hydrogen bonds between one guanine and cytosine base pairs. The energy required to break the bond between GC will be more as compared to energy required for AT bonds. So the DNA will maximum number of AT pairing will melt faster at lower temperature as compared to others. Choose the correct statement from the following. P. The Western Ghats have greater amphibian species diversity than the ईस्टर्न घाट सही है. बी क्यों यहाँ पे कह रहा है डाइवर्सिटी एग्जिस्ट एट ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रेंजिंग फ्रॉम मैक्रोमोलिकुल्स विद इन सेल्स टू बायोम्स, ये भी सही है. आर यहाँ पे कह रहा है Rolfia vomitoria show the genetic variation in terms of potency and concentration of the reserpine produce, ये भी सही है. यहाँ पे यस कह रहा है नॉर्वे हैज अ ग्रेटर इकोसिस्टम डाइवर्सिटी देन इंडिया, तो ये हमारा जो है गलत हो जाएगा. इंडिया की ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी है नॉर्वे से. Sociologist Edward Wilson gave the term biodiversity to the combined diversity which is seen at the different levels of biosphere, where we find heterogeneity not only at a species level but also at the level of macromolecules within cells. There are three different types of biodiversity patterns seen most commonly: genetic, species, and ecological. Rolfia vomitaria, growing in different regions of Himalayas, has different potential and concentration of reserpine. This is an example of genetic diversity. When we compare the eastern and western Ghats, we find that more species variations at the western Ghats. This is species diversity. Ecological diversity can be seen in terms that the India has more ecosystem diversity than Norway due to the presence of deserts, rainforests, wetlands, etc. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarity as a answer B species. The classification of all living organism has been done by dividing them into different levels based on their features and characteristics. There is a hierarchy in this classification, and each step represents a rank or category known as taxonomic category. There are around 7 main taxonomic ranks or categories: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, division, and kingdom. Group of individuals having similar fundamental qualities are called species. When the group of related species have more common characters among them, they are referred to as genus. Families which exhibit few similar characters are placed under the same order. All the fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, constitute the taxonomic level phylum. Which of the which of the cells stay in the G0 phase? Answer will be D. All of the यानी multinuclear muscle cell, heart muscle cell, or neurons. Cell cycle is divided into two phases: interphase and mitosis. M phase. The interphase is further into three phases: gap, G0 phase, G1 phase, synthesis phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Certain types of cells in the body divide occasionally when there is a need. This type of cells do not proceed further in the cell cycle and exist the G1 phase to enter into a stage of inactivity known as the quiescent stage or G0 phase. In this stage, the cells remain metabolically active but do not proliferate unless and until there is need. Multinucleated muscle cells, heart muscle cells, and neurons which does not undergo cytokinesis and are considered to be in G0 stage, which will never enter the G1 phase. Morgan chose fruit flies Drosophila melanogaster as the study model for his experiment. Certain regions made this organism suitable for the study. Which of the following is not one such region? Answer B. They take out 6 weeks to complete their life cycle. Morgan worked with the teeny fruit flies Drosophila melanogaster which which were found very suitable for such studies. They could be grown on simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. They complete their life cycle in about 2 weeks, and a single mating could produce a large number of progeny flies. Also, there was a clear differentiation of the sexes. The male and female flies are easily distinguishable. Also, it has many types of hereditary variations that can be seen with low power microscopes. Study the diagram and identify A to F. Okay. Answer will be C. A amino acid arm, B T loop, C anticodon loop, D anticodon, E codon, F loop, F D loop. The given structure is the cloverleaf model of tRNA, which is adapter molecule that reads the code and binds to the specific amino acid. Also, it has an anticodon loop C that has the basis complementary to the DNA code. It has an amino acid receptor A in where amino acids bind. B is the T loop and F is the D loop. E represents the codon sequence and D is the anticodon sequence. Resistance gene present in PBR332 are answer A. Ampicillin and tetracycline. Plasmids are able to replicate in the host cell independent of the control of chromosomal DNA. Plasmids like PBR332 is used as cloning vector in E. coli organisms. The PBR332 plasmid has resistance site for two antibiotics, tetracycline and ampicillin. If we ligate a foreign DNA at the site of tetracycline resistance, the recombinant plasmids will not be tetracycline resistant. We can obtain the recombinants by growing them on ampicillin resistant medium. Production of human protein in bacteria by genetic engineering is possible because answer D. The genetic code is universal. Genetic engineering is the technique of changing the phenotype of an organism by altering the chemical properties of the genetic material. Genetic engineering is useful for manufacturing products like antibiotics, vaccines, enzymes, proteins, etc. When recombinant DNA is added to the host organisms, the protein synthesis is carried out in the similar manner and the desired results are obtained. This is because the principles governing the process, the enzyme involved, and the genetic code itself are all universal in nature. The amount of nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, etc. present in the soil at any given time is referred to as answer C, standing state. A definite amount of living material present at each trophic level at a specific time is called a standing crop. It can be measured as a biomass or a number in a unit area. The nutrients which are necessary for growth such as carbon, phosphorus, calcium, etc are present in abiotic components such as soil and are known as standing state. Mineralization is the process by which inorganic nutrients are released into the soil by the degradation of humus by microbes. Hence, the answer is standing state. What percentage of forest cover for the plains has been recommended by National Forest Policy 1988 of India? Answer A 33%. Deforestation has led to a loss of about 40% of forest land. Trees are cut for the purpose of obtaining or to clear the forest area to make way for agricultural land. In the 20th century, about 30% of the land was covered by the forest in India, which reduced to 19% by the end of century. National Forest Policy has recommended that at least 33% of plains and 67% of hills of India should be covered by forest. In India, we find mangoes with different flavors, colors, fiber content, and even shelf life. The large variation in on account of answer C genetic diversity. Edward Wilson coined the term biodiversity to describe the diversity seen at the different levels of biosphere. We find heterogeneity not at only at species level but also at the level of macromolecules within cells. There are three different types of biodiversity patterns seen most commonly. They are genetic, species, and ecological. Genetic diversity refers to genetic the seen amongst a single species found in different regions. Rolfia vomitoria shows different concentration of reserpine in different regions of Himalayas. There are around 1000 different types of mangoes found which have different flavors, colors, fiber content, and even shelf life. Transgenic plants are the ones generated by answer D generated by introducing foreign DNA into cells and regenerating a plant from the cell. Genetic engineering is the technique of changing the phenotype of an organism by altering the chemical properties of genetic material. Plants, fungi, bacteria, animals, etc., which have been altered genetically, are called genetically modified organisms (GMO). In the process of producing transgenic plants, the recombinant DNA isolated from the organisms and then genetically modified and introduced into the host cell. The plants are then regenerated from these modified host cells. The rising of dough is due to answer B production of CO2. An enzyme catalyzing the removal of nucleotide from the ends of DNA is exonuclease. Which one of the following is not a nitrogen fixing organism? Answer D Pseudomonas. Totipotent cell refers to answer C an undifferentiated cells capable of developing into a system or entire plant. Which of the following is correct regarding genetic code? Answer B. There are 64 triplet codons and only 20 amino acids. Which of the following statements is true regarding sexual reproduction? Answer D. Offsprings are not identical to the parents or among themselves. A special type of diffusion when water is absorbed by solids colloids causing increase in volume is called answer B imbibition. The ribosomes present in cytoplasm of the causative organism of cholera and mitochondria of causative organism of malaria respectively are answer A 70S and 70S. Causative organism of cholera is a bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It is a prokaryote. The causative organism of malaria is Plasmodium, which is protozoan. It is eukaryote. Ribosome are the granular structure composed of RNA and proteins. They are not surrounded by any membrane and are seen as dense particles under the electron microscope. Ribosomes found in cytoplasm of eukaryotic organisms are 80S and those in cytoplasm of prokaryotic organisms are 70S, where S is the coefficient of sedimentation and is a measure of the density and size of the ribosome. Mitochondria of eukaryote also have ribosomes which resemble prokaryotes. They are 70S. Select the correct match. Answer will be A and B. Zygote synapses, S phase DNA replication. During S phase DNA replication takes place during zygote synapses occurs. The process of attachment of the homologous chromosome is called synapsis. The residue left after methane production from cattle dung is answer C used as manure. The most important feature in a plasmid to be used as a vector is answer A Origin of replication, ORI. Which of the following animals undergo estivation? Answer B. Snails and fish. In animals, the organism, if unable to migrate, might avoid the stress by escaping in time. The familiar case of bears going into hibernation during winter is an example of escape in time. Some snails and fish go into starvation to avoid summer-related problems, summer-related problems, heat and desiccation. Under unfavorable conditions, many zooplankton species in lakes and ponds are known to enter diapause, a stage of suspended development. About how much of solar energy that falls on the leaves of a plant is converted to chemical energy by photosynthesis? Answer A. 1%. Forest in a tropical region of Ecuador has 10 times more vascular plants than a forest in temperate region of Midwest of the USA, although both are equal in terms of area. This is example of answer A, latitudinal gradient. Four characters A to D are correct below. A to D are given below. Which two correct about phylum Arthropoda? First, it is largest phylum of animal kingdom. बिल्कुल सही है यहाँ पे. Second, one third of all named species on the earth are arthropods. गलत है. और थर्ड यहाँ पे कहा they are bilateral symmetrical triploblastic and segmented animals. बिल्कुल सही. फोर यहाँ पे कहा the body is covered by calcareous exoskeleton. ये हमारा गलत है. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. These include two-thirds of all the animals on the earth. Majority of animals in this phylum are insects. Arthros means joints and poda means feet. And hence these animals have jointed appendages. The body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. These animals have proper organ systems, triploblastic body and are eucoelomates. Their body is covered by exoskeleton made up of chitin. Select the incorrect statements from the following. Answer D. Living state is an equilibrium. Living state is an equilibrium steady state to perform work. ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है. All biomolecules show turnover in cell. There is no uncatalyzed reaction in living systems. C. Metabolic pathways are either linear or circular. All biomolecules have a turnover, which means that they are constantly being changed into some other biomolecules and also made from some other biomolecules. Every chemical reaction occurring in the body is catalyzed reaction. There is no uncatalyzed metabolic conversion in living systems. Metabolites are converted into each other in a series of linked reactions called metabolic pathways. These metabolic pathways are similar to the automobile traffic in a city. These pathways are either linear or circular. These pathways crisscross each other. That is there are traffic junctions. Living state is a non-equilibrium steady state to be able to perform work. The given structure belongs to the organism of the phylum. Answer B. Cnidaria. The structure shown in the is cnidoblast or synoblast seen in the syntrates, and hence this phylum is known as phylum Cnidaria. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Answer will be D. All proteins are enzymes is wrong statement. बाकी A, B, C सही है. Proteins are made up of polypeptides. Acid insoluble pool contains nucleic acids and amino acids are ionizable. Biomolecules can be acid insoluble, that is macromolecules, or acid soluble, that is micromolecules. Macromolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Proteins contains many amino acids that are linked by peptide bonds and are known as polypeptides. Amino acids contain two functional groups which can form ions. Enzymes are tertiary structures of proteins. The electrocardiography key PQ interval represents. Answer C. Conduction time through arteria, AV node, and rest of conducting tissue. ECG is electrocardiogram. This represents electrical activity of the heart in graph format and is recorded by a machine known as electrocardiograph. This graph is obtained by connecting the patient to the machine by means of three limb leads and six chest leads. The ECG shows many peaks and each peak is denoted by an alphabet P to T referred as waves. P wave marks the beginning of ECG and it denotes the conduction of sinoatrial node. P wave is followed by PQ interval and this represents conduction through SA node to AV node and rest of the conducting tissues. Match the structure listed under column 1 with the functional names under column 2. Choose the answer which gives the correct combination of the alphabets of the two columns. Okay, the answer will be D. A का होगा यहाँ पे R यानी कि लैरिंक्स का वॉइस बॉक्स, B S ट्रेकिया वाइंड पाइप, C Q एल्वियोली एयर सैक्स और D P यानी इपिग्लॉटिस P मतलब lead of larynx. The larynx is a voice box which is made up of 9 cartilages. One such cartilage is epiglottis. Larynx connects the pharynx with trachea, that is windpipe. Epiglottis is a flap-like cartilage that prevents entry of food into the trachea as it covers the opening, that is glottis of the windpipe. Epi means above and glottis is opening of the windpipe. The blood pressure values of 4 persons are given below. First, Mr. A 120 by 80 mmHg, Mr. B 80 by 120, Mr. A 90 by Mrs. A 90 by 80 or Mrs. B 150 by 80. Who among the following has normal blood pressure? Answer A, Mr. A. Hypertension is term for blood pressure that is higher than normal. 120 by 80 is normal. In this measurement, 120 by 120 mmHg is the systolic or pumping pressure and 80 mmHg diastolic or resting pressure. Which of the following is correct regarding chemosensitive area? Answer will be D, both A and C. It is located in the medulla region. It is highly sensitive to O2. The chemical and physical properties of amino acids are essentially because of answer D, all of these: amino group, carboxyl group, functional R group. An ideal contraceptive should be answer C, with no or least side effects. Which of the following mixture of gases was used by Miller in his experiment? Answer D, methane, ammonia, hydrogen and water vapor. In the given diagram, cystic duct and common bile duct are. Answer C, 1 is cystic duct and 3 is common bile duct. Primary exposure to antigenic proteins of pathogen results in the production of all except answer B, T cells and antibodies. बाकी A, C, D जो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं यानी कि B cells antibodies, B memory cells, T memory cells. The primary and secondary immune response are carried out with the help of two special type of lymphocytes present in our blood, that is P lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. The B lymphocytes produce an army of proteins in response to pathogens in our blood to fight with them. These proteins are called antibodies. The T cells themselves do not secrete antibodies but help B cells to produce them. Which of the following is not involved in the endocrine secretion? Answer D, Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells are the macrophages found in sinusoid of the liver. Which lobe of cerebrum is responsible for solving analytical problem? Answer C, frontal lobe cerebrum. The supporting cells of nervous tissue is answer B, neuroglia. Select the incorrect statement. Answer A, efferent arteriole has a wider lumen than that of afferent arteriole. ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी B, C, D सही है. Efferent arteriole arises from the glomerulus. Efferent arteriole divides to form Peritubular capillary network around PCT and DCT. Renal artery enters the kidney and divides into afferent arterioles. In the mechanism of action of protein hormone, one of the secretory messengers is answer A, cyclic AMP. The sporozoites that cause infection when a female Anopheles mosquito bites a human being are developed in answer C, salivary glands of mosquito. Genetic variation in a population arise due to answer B, recombination as well as mutation. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in the human female is answer D. No such common duct exists. External genitalia in human female is known as vulva. It consists of labia majora, labia minora, mons pubis, and clitoris. It also has a vestibule which shows two openings. One is the vaginal opening for menstrual flow, entry of penis and parturition. Other opening is urethral opening for outflow of urine. Thus, there are two different openings in females, unlike males. Hence, the two systems, reproductive and excretory systems, are separate systems, and thus there is no shared duct between these two systems. The genes causing cancer are answer C, oncogenes. How many ova and sperms will be produced from 100 secondary oocytes and 10 secondary spermatocytes during the spermatogenesis in a man? Answer D, 100 ova, 200 sperms. In oogenesis, one primary oocyte forms one secondary oocyte in one polar body. Secondary oocyte after second meiosis forms one mature ovum and one polar body. Thus, 100 secondary oocytes will form 100 ova. In spermatogenesis, one primary spermatocyte after first meiosis forms two secondary spermatocytes which undergoes second meiotic division to form four sperms. Thus, 100 secondary spermatocytes will form 200 sperms. Choose the correct statement. Answer D. Abdomen of both male and female cockroach is made up of 10 segments. The smallest bone in the human body is answer C. Stapes. In a sarcomere, the thin filaments are bisected by answer A, Z line. Which of the following structures is present in the dancephalon? Answer C, hypothalamus. A hormone responsible for normal sleep-wake cycle is answer C, melatonin. Choose the correct statement regarding gift. Answer B, zygote formed in vitro conditions is transferred to the fallopian tube of its mother or surrogate mother. Which of the following evidence does not favor the Lamarckism concept of inheritance of acquired characters? Answer will be B, mineralization in peppered moth. बाकी ए सी डी फेवर करते हैं. लैक ऑफ पिगमेंट्स इन केव dwelling animals, absence of limbs in snakes, और presence of webbed toes in aquatic birds. Last question bio का. Secretions from which of the following glands are rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes? Answer A, seminal vesicles. ये जो क्वेश्चन है नीट में रिपीट कर चुका है. तो ये सारे थे बायो क्वेश्चन. अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री पे, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे आएंगे. वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर देना और नए जो व्यूवर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना डेली अपडेट के लिए. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट देखते हैं केमिस्ट्री का. केमिस्ट्री का डिटेल वीडियो देखना है तो आप आरजी एकेडमी या फिर BICS इंडिया चैनल पे आप केमिस्ट्री का फुल डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे बस हम क्वेश्चन और आंसर ही रीड करेंगे और जो है हमारा सोल्यूशन जो है एक्सप्लेनेशन वो शो कर देंगे केवल. तो उसके लिए आप वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकते हैं जिस सोल्यूशन में आपको दिक्कत हो. व्हाट इज द बाइंडिंग एनर्जी of an electron in a metal whose threshold frequency of photon electron is 2.5 into 10 to the power 14 per second? Answer will be A, 99.38 kilojoule per mole. Which one of the following does not exhibit paramagnetism? Answer D, ClO2 minus. IUPAC name of following organic compound is answer A, 2 amino 3 hydroxy 4 oxo pentanoic acid. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer D. In any period, the atomic radius the noble gas is lowest. Alkali metals impart color to Bunsen frame due to answer B. Low ionization energies. Geometrical isomerism is shown by answer B. At the same temperature and pressure, which of the following gases will have highest kinetic energy per molecule? Atomic weight of hydrogen equal to 1 nitrogen 14, carbon 12, oxygen 16. Answer D. All will have equal average kinetic energy. Which of the following is the most stable carbanion? Answer D. C6H5CH2 minus. Which member of group 13 does not exhibit the group valency in its compounds? Answer D. Thallium. Body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic unit cells have N1 and N2 effective number of atoms. Which of one of the following N1 and N2 combinations is correct? Answer D. 2, 4. Which of the following carbides react with H2O to form propane? Answer D. MgC3. The reaction of tertiary butyl chloride and sodium ethoxide gives mainly answer C 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Which of the following is not an ionic halide? Answer D UF6. The equilibrium constant for the reaction. Answer uh, the equilibrium constant for the reaction at 2000 Kelvin in presence of catalyst. The equilibrium is 10 times faster, therefore the equilibrium constant in presence of the catalyst at 2000 Kelvin is answer B 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Next, which of the following would cause the percent ionization of a weak acid to increase? Answer will be C, diluting with more water. Sodium reacts with alcohol as given below. Place the types of alcohol into decreasing order of reactivity towards Na. Answer will be A 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. The possible number of isomers, both structure and stereo, for the complex MbR2Cl2SO4 is answer C 5. The hydrocarbon molecular mass 70 after reduction and chlorination gives a single monochloride. The hydrocarbon is answer A pent 1-ene. The dissociation energies of H2 and O2 are 104 and 118 kilocalorie per mole respectively. The heat of reaction is 10 kilocalorie. The bond energy of OH bond is answer A 101 kilocalorie per mole. Which of the following plots represent a correct variation of equivalent conductance with dilution for a strong electrolyte? Answer will be B. Which bond angle theta would result in maximum dipole moment for triatomic molecules YXY? Answer A theta equal to 90 degree. Which of the following sets of quantum number represents an impossible arrangement? Answer C n equal to 3, L 2, m equal to minus 3 or s equal to half is not possible. On adding KMnO4 to cold conc H2SO4 it gives answer C Mn2O7. Want of factor more than unity indicates that the solute in solution has answer B dissociated. Which of the following reagent reacts with C6H5 CH2CONH2 to form C6H5 CH2Cl? Answer D all of the above. When aniline is treated with fuming sulfuric acid at 425 Kelvin, it gives answer A sulfanilic acid. Heat of conversion of substance A to substance B is equal to answer B minus 100. Which of the following statement is not correct for the reaction? Answer D. The rates of formation of C and D are not equal. An electrochemical cell stops working after some time because Answer D. Electrode potentials of the two electrodes become equal in magnitude. The pH of a solution which is twice as acidic as pure water is answer C. 6.7. Next, the heat of solution of 1 mole of Na2SO4 dot 10H2O is minus 78.7 kilojoule and that of dehydration minus 81.6 kilojoule. The heat of solution of anhydrous sodium sulfate is answer A plus 2.9 kilojoule. The acidic group in aqueous solution of glycine is answer D. Acidic group NH3 plus. The cleaning action of soap is due to the answer D. Its action as emulsifying agent. The rate constant of a reaction has the units as that of rate of reaction. The reaction order is answer A 0. In the reaction Y क्या होगा? आंसर होगा D benzoic acid. Hydrolysis of phenyl isocyanide forms answer B formic acid. Which one of the following is a copolymer? Answer A Buna S. The total number of stereoisomers in open chain aldohexose such as glucose is answer C 16. Which of the following salts undergoes hydrolysis? Answer D CH3COONA. When aniline is treated with bromine water, it forms answer D 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Which of the following pairs from the same OSA zone? Answer will be A glucose and fructose. The crystalline compound AXBY is characterized by a body-centered cell. The compound has the formula answer A AB. The reaction of Br2 phosphorus or Cl2 phosphorus with carboxylic acid to form alpha halogenated acid is called answer B Hell-Hollard-Jansky reaction. Often the water bodies subjected to sewage pollution. Fishes die because of the answer B reduction in dissolved oxygen caused by microbial activity. केमिस्ट्री का लास्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन्वॉल्व्स मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी आंसर डी Mg2 प्लस गिव्स Mg3 प्लस गैस. ओके तो ये सारे थे हमारे बायो और केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किए तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना जिससे अगली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. ओके अब आते हैं फिजिक्स पे. फिजिक्स का जो डिटेल वीडियो है वो आप हेल्पिंग हैंड बाय सिदर सर या फिर RG एकेडमी जो है वो आप वहाँ पे आप फुल वीडियो देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे और उसका आंसर रीड करेंगे और जो है एक्सप्लेनेशन वो शो कर देंगे. केवल आप वीडियो पॉज करके एक्सप्लेनेशन देख सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ट्रिटियम विथ हाफ लाइफ of 12.5 years undergoing beta decay, what fraction of a sample of pure tritium will remain undecayed after 25 years? Answer will be 1/4. An electron makes a transition from an excited state to the ground state of a hydrogen-like atom. Then answer C, its kinetic energy increases but potential energy and total energy decreases. A curved road of diameter 1.8 km is banked so that no friction is required at a speed of 30 meter per second. What is the banking angle? Answer A, tan inverse 0.1. The linear momentum of a particle varies with time t as p equal to a plus bt plus ct square among the following. The correct statement is answer B, force is time dependent. Two buses A and B are moving around concentric circular path of radii RA and RB. If the two buses complete the circular path at the same time, the ratio of their linear speeds is answer B RA by RB. A flywheel rotates about fixed axis and slows down from 3 rpm to 100 rpm. A flywheel rotates about a fixed axis and slows down from 300 rpm to 100 rpm in 2 minutes. Then its angular retardation in radian minute per square is answer D 200 pi. A silver wire has a temperature coefficient of resistivity 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 per centigrade and its resistance is at 20 degrees Celsius 10 ohm. Neglecting any change in dimensions due to change in temperature, its resistance at 40 degrees Celsius is answer C 10.8 ohm. The resistance of metals at 1 between the shaded portion is R1 and resistance between shaded portion of sheet 2 is R2. Then R1 by R2 is answer A 1. A circular disc of the radius 0.2 meter is placed in a uniform magnetic field of induction 1 by pi Weber per meter square in such a way that its axis makes an angle of 60 degree with B. The magnetic flux linked with the disc is answer C 0.02 Weber. An AC circuit, in an AC circuit, the instantaneous values of EMS and current are E equal to 200 sin 300 t volt and I equal to 2 sin 300 t plus pi by 3 ampere respectively. The average power consumed in watt is answer will be 100. A charge q is uniformly distributed over the surface of two conducting concentric spheres of radii r and a small r is greater than a small r. The potential at the common center of these spheres answers B kq r plus r by r square plus r square. Two identical capacitors have the same capacitance C. One of them is charged to potential V1 and the other to V2. The negative ends of capacitors are connected together. When the positive ends are also connected, the decrease in energy of the combined system is answer C C by 4 into V1 minus V2 to the whole square. A body of mass m is placed on the Earth's surface. It is taken from the Earth's surface to a height h equal to 3r. When r is the radius of the Earth, the change in gravitational potential energy of the body is answer B 3 by 4 mgr. Two planets A and B have the same average density. The radii Ra and Rb are such that Ra is to Rb is equal to 3 is to 1. If Ga and Gb are the acceleration due to gravity at the surfaces of the planets, then Ga is to Gb equals answer will be A 3 is to 1. Next. Three rods of the same dimension have thermal conductivity 3K, 2K and K. They are arranged as shown in the figure below. Then the temperature of the junction in steady state is answer will be A 200 by 3 degrees Celsius. A gas expands with temperature according to the relation V equal to kT to the power 2 by 3 where K is a constant. Calculate work done when the temperature changes by 60 Kelvin. Answer C 40 R. An ideal gas is taken through the cycle A to B to C then A. As shown in the figure, if the net heat supplied to the gas in the cycle is 5 joule, the work done by the gas in the process C to A is answer will be A minus 5 joule. 1 mole of ideal monoatomic gas at temperature T0 expands slowly according to the law PV equal to constant. If the final temperature is 2 T0, heat supplied to the gas is answer will be A 2 RT naught. Three ions H plus, He plus and O2 plus having the same kinetic energy pass through a region in which there is a uniform magnetic field perpendicular to their velocity. Then answer B He plus and O2 plus O plus 2 will be reflected equally. A bar magnet has a length 3 cm, cross sectional area 2 cm square, and magnetic moment 3 ampere meter square. The intensity of magnetization of the bar magnet is answer D 5 into 10 to the power 5 ampere per meter. For a particle shows distance time curve in the given is given in the figure. The maximum instantaneous velocity of the particle is around the point. Answer will be C. Answer will be C. The bomb is dropped from the aeroplane flying horizontally with a velocity 469 meter per second at an altitude of 980 meter. The bomb will hit the ground after a time is g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Answer D, 10 root 2 second. Next, a block of mass 1 kg lies on a horizontal surface of a truck. The coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface is 0.6. If the acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square, find the frictional force acting on the block. Answer will be A, 5 Newton. Two masses A and B of 10 kg and 5 kg respectively are connected with a string passing over a frictionless pulley fixed at the corner of table as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction of A with the table is 0.2. The minimum mass of C that may be placed on A to prevent it from moving is, answer will be A, 15 kg. A sample contains a large number of nuclei. The probability that a nucleus in the sample will decay after 4 half-lives is, answer will be C, 15 by 16. A 0.2 ml sample of a solution containing 1 into 10 to the minus 7 curie of hydrogen 3 1 is injected to the bloodstream of animal after sufficient time for circulatory equilibrium to be established. 0.10 ml of blood is found to have an activity of 20 dpm. Calculate the volume of blood in animal assuming no change in the activity of the sample during circulatory equilibrium. Answer will be B, 1110 ml. Two springs with negligible masses and force constant of K1 equal to 200 Newton per meter and K2 equal to 160 Newton per meter are attached to the block of mass equal to M equal to 10 kg as shown in the figure. Initially, the block is at rest at the equilibrium position in which both springs are neither stretched nor compressed. At time t equal to 0, the sharp impulse of 15 Newton per second is given to the block with a hammer along with the spring. Answer will be D. Amplitude of oscillation is 0.83 meter. Consider the given system of mass m and spring constant k. Find the maximum value of b so that that system performs SHM. Neglect the mass of connecting rod. Answer will be A, k square by mg. Light of the two different frequencies whose photons have energies 1 electron volt and 2.5 electron volt respectively illuminate a metallic surface whose work function is 0.5 electron volt successively. The ratio of maximum speeds of both emitted electrons will be, answer will be 1 is to 2. A de Broglie wavelength of neutrons in thermal equilibrium at temperature T is, answer will be A, 25.2 by under root T angstrom. A raindrop of radius 0.3 mm has a terminal velocity in air equal to 1 meter per second. The viscous force on it is given. The viscosity of air is 18 Newton per minus 5 gram per centimeter per second. Answer will be A, 101.73 Newton per minus 4 dyne. Two metal wires P and Q of same length and material are stretched by same load. Their masses are in the ratio m1 is to m2. The ratio of elongations of wire is, answer C, m2 is to m1. The distance between an object and the screen is 100 cm. A lens produces an image on the screen when placed at either of two positions 40 cm apart. The power of the lens is approximately, answer B, 5D. A biconvex lens of focal length f forms a circular image of the radius r of the sun in the focal plane. Then which option is correct? Answer B, pi r square directly proportional to f square. A rigid body is made of three identical thin rods, each of length L, fastened together in the form of letter H. The body is free to rotate about a horizontal axis that runs along the length of one of the legs of the H. The body is allowed to fall from rest from a position in which the plane of H is horizontal. What is the angular speed of the body when the plane of H is vertical? Answer will be C, 3 by 2 under root G by L. A ring of mass m is kept on a horizontal rough surface. A force F is applied tangentially at its rim as shown. The coefficient of friction between the ring and the surface is mu. Then answer will be C. Frictional force will not act. A PN junction is series with a resistance of 5 kilo ohm is connected across a 50 volt DC source. If the forward bias resistance of the junction is 50 ohm, the forward bias current is answer will be D, 9.9 milliampere. Given below the following truth table where A and B are inputs and Y is output. The output of Y is answer D, AB bar. A steel wire of uniform area 2 meter per second 2 meter square is heated up to 50 degrees Celsius and is stretched by tying its end rigidly. The change in tension when the temperature falls from 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius is answer will be C, 88 Newton. Select the dimension formula for B square by 2 mu naught. Answer will be D, M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. If theta is the polarizing angle of two optical media whose critical angles are C1 and C2, then the correct relation is answer C, tan theta equal to sin C1 by sin C2. At the first minimum adjacent to the central maximum of a single slit diffraction pattern, the phase difference between the Huygens wavelet from the edge of the slit and the wavelet from the midpoint of the slit is answer will be pi radian. An object of a specific gravity rho is hung from a thin steel wire. The fundamental frequency for transverse standing waves in the wire is 300 Hz. The object is immersed in water so that one half of its volume is submerged. The new fundamental frequency in Hz is answer A, 302 rho minus 1 by 2 rho to the power 1 by 2. Two waves of wavelength 1 meter and 1.01 meter produces 10 bits in 3 seconds. What is the velocity of the wave? Answer C, 336.6 meter per second. A uniform chain of length 2 meter is kept on a table such that a length of 60 centimeter hangs freely from the edge of the table. The total mass of the chain is 4 kg. The work done in pulling the entire chain on the table is answer B, 3.6 joule. ओके तो ये सारे थे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना डेली अपडेट्स के लिए। और जिन्हें पीडीएफ चाहिए वो एक बार डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लेना, सारे पीडीएफ मिल जाएंगे विथ आंसर्स। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।